Hey guys, today we have the fart putty. I got this from the 5 and Below store, and it's so fun to play with, guys. Ugh, it smells horrible. It's so fun to play with, and the good thing is that it can do this. 1 second. One second, guys. This putty makes a fart sound. I don't know why isn't it working. One sec, guys.
They are more than welcome.
But I promise this makes fart noise. You will not hear it. Fart noise, but I'm not lying to you guys. Did you hear that? Did you hear that, guys? Now it worked. You hear that? Oh my god. It's so fun.
لدي 3 جوازات سفر إسرائيلي ومغربي وفرنسي.
عفوا، لدينا جواز إسرائيلي فقط.
It's like a bubble gum.
لدينا جواز سفر مغربي وإسرائيلي.
April Fool. I can prank somebody and say that I chewed all these bubble gum. Did you hear that? That was a putty. Oh yeah. Oh, that's it for the video. I know it is a short video. That's it for the putty. Because I just wanted to show it to you guys because people always wanted to see it, and people always wanted to know from where to buy it. And you buy this from, if you're in Ohio, Columbus, you can buy this at the 5 and Below store. You buy this from 5 and Below store. Bye guys, I hope you like this video and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.